this video, we're going to be taking a look at what are the best crypto trading platforms or crypto exchanges for your needs. I've got a full comparison here of the best exchanges and their trading fees on the platform as well. And we're going to be taking a look to make sure that we'll find a crypto trading exchange that's best for you. So let's get started with the topic. First, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into this video. And before we start, I do want to say that all the links you will need for all of these exchanges and this video will be down in the description. So now let's get started with the topic. We'll talk about 4 different exchanges. I'll tell you a bit what they are, different features they have, and then we will also get into a comparison. So the first exchange we will start with is Binance. Binance is a leading cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2017 in Hong Kong, and it features a strong focus on altcoin trading. And Binance offers crypto-to-crypto trading in more than 360 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, but way more than that. So on their website, as you can see, you can just normally trade via Binance Convert, Spot, but you can also use margin. But apart from that, for the traders under us, they have a full suite of derivatives as well. Normal perpetuals, futures, options, but they also allow you to leverage your cryptocurrencies to put up Bitcoin as collateral. So if you want to trade and want to have a lot of possibilities, then check out Binance, because apart from that, they also have different ways on how to earn on your crypto using yield farming, liquidity farming, DeFi staking, and they have their own launchpad. They launch new projects which you can participate in using Binance. Now the next exchange we'll talk about is Bitrue. Bitrue is a cryptocurrency trading and investment company with a range of financial products for crypto enthusiasts. So Bitrue offers cryptocurrency services including an active trading platform, futures trading platform, loans, and high interest yield farming and staking. Bitrue is also known for having a lot of new and smaller cryptocurrencies. So if you want to be able to buy and trade the smaller cryptocurrencies, the really small caps, then Bitrue might be an exchange for you. So here you can see their website. It's very easy to use their buy and sell feature. But apart from that, you can also see that you can trade on Bitrue. They also have spot trading, ETFs, and a launchpad, even though the launchpad is a bit smaller than Binance's. But they are most known for their derivatives. They have a lot of different derivative options as well. Same as with Binance, even a bit more. They have USDC futures, crypto futures, but also USDT futures, and great trading strategies and guides on their exchange as well. Now Bitrue also offers different ways to earn on your cryptocurrencies without trading it, and they have a lot of rewards currently if you sign up. So if you're interested in that, check them out. Now the next exchange we'll talk about is Coinbase. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency trading and investment platform that offers users the ability to buy, sell, and exchange over 200 tradable cryptocurrencies, again, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. And Coinbase is also a large company with over 108 million users and over 80 billion assets on the platform. Now Coinbase is used a bit less for trading. You can easily buy cryptocurrencies, and the fees, which we will get into a little bit later as well, are very low if you just want to buy and hold. But Coinbase is focused a lot on Web3 and building a lot on DeFi. So for example, you have their own Coinbase wallet. You can have your own Coinbase card, which actually allows you to spend your own crypto. And you can also, via their platform and exchange, create, collect, and own NFTs. But apart from that, as I said, it's also a great platform to just buy and hold cryptocurrencies. Now the last exchange we'll talk about before we start comparing them is OKX. OKX is a cryptocurrency company offering a cryptocurrency exchange and a suite of additional services, such as also their own wallet. The Seychelles-based exchange is widely available to users worldwide, but notably not available in the US. So OKX may be a good choice for global cryptocurrency traders looking to buy and sell with low exchange fees. So OKX really is an exchange focused on trading, even though you can also perfectly use it for just buying cryptocurrencies, and they have their own blockchain which you can actually use to build and use decentralized applications, and you can find out more about that on their website. Here you can see under build you can learn how to build on the OKB chain. You can also explore it to use decentralized applications, and they have their own wallet. Here on the top menu you can press wallet, connect your wallet or create a wallet very easily, and use that for DeFi and decentralized applications as well. Now, as I said, you can also just buy crypto. They have a lot of different trading options such as perpetual swaps, futures, and margin trading, but they also have trading bots, and apart from that also very low fees. So if you want to trade a lot, OKX might be something for you. Now, if you start comparing exchanges, you can, for example, see that Binance is very cheap in trading fees, but the withdrawal fees can be a bit higher, whereas with Coinbase, the withdrawal fees are relatively low, but the trading fees can be pretty high depending on the cryptocurrencies. Now, if you take a look at Bitrue, you can see that the trading fees on most cryptocurrencies are also higher than Binance, which overall has a 0.1 to 0.3% fee on cryptocurrency trading, but it does depend on different exchanges. Now, overall, if we check out the volume and the average liquidity, Binance and Coinbase score very high. OKX has a lot of volume, but the average liquidity is a bit lower. And Bitrue overall has less volume and doesn't score that well, and also is perceived as a bit less secure. Now, if we check out derivatives, so if you're really a trader, you can see some more volume statistics, but also fees. There you can see that Binance compared to OKX actually has the same or lower fees if you really want to trade. And apart from that, they also have a higher trading volume. Now with Coinbase, as I said, it really is more known for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. But if you, for example, take a look at Bitrue, right now it says that they have a 0% trading fee. But again, the average liquidity and the volume is a bit lower if you want to trade on those exchanges. So some take profits might not be filled and some stop losses might be filled if you're using that exchange. All right, so with that, we've reached the end of this video. We talked about 4 different major cryptocurrency exchanges, told you what they were, and we compared them. For now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions you might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.